Good morning, students. Today we'll talk about the chapter number 2 of subject Geography, diverse natural resources of the world. These natural resources are land, water, and forest. So we will start our chapter. Natural resources are crucial for the economic development of a region or a country. Distribution of resources throughout the world is highly uneven. Even the distribution of land, water, and air varies from place to place on the earth. The concentration of people in the world is determined by the nature of land, climate, soil, water, and other natural resources. 90% of the world total human population inhabit in just 30% of the world's land area. Land is the most important natural resources for human as he lives on it and all his needs are fulfilled from the land. A glance at the globe reveals that land covers only 29% of the earth's surface and 71% is covered by water bodies. Land area supports 6 billion people of the world, but its distribution is highly uneven. Land consists of different landforms like mountains, plateaus, and plains. Generally, plains and fertile river valleys support a large number of people. Next, soil. Soil is denied as the loose material consisting of organic and inorganic substances covering the topmost layer of the earth. Soil is an important and prime source as we obtain everything directly or indirectly from it. It is indispensable as it provides the medium for plant growth. Soil provides food, shelter, clothing, etc. Soil horizon. Soil is formed of different layers of horizons. Soil profile refers to different layers of soil. There are four distinct layers of soil formation. There are topsoil, subsoil, partly soil, weathered rock or substratum, and bedrock or parent rock. Soil types. The soil are classified on the basis of color, texture, fertility, minerals, content, etc. In India, 6 following types of soils are found: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, yellow soil, laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil. Water. Our planet is called the watery planet or blue planet as it has abundance of water which is found in solid, liquid, and gaseous form. Water is a renewable resource that gets renewed through the process of the hydrological cycle. The distribution of water on the earth is highly uneven. 97% of the volume of water on the earth is found in oceans and seas. 2% in the form of ice sheets in the polar region and 1% in the form of fresh water. The two sources of fresh water available on the earth are the surface water in the form of rivers, streams, and groundwater, which is available through the seepage of water. Water scarcity is prevalently in many regions of the world, namely African countries, West Asia, South Asia, Western USA, and Australia. Man uses water only for drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, etc. But also for other activities like agriculture, industry, generation of hydroelectricity, navigation, etc.